serious?
Yeah.
Check it out. Do you need us to move? Okay. Okay. Oh my God, is that beautiful? I can't. Okay. Oh, is that beautiful? I never been so close to one. I'm catching it. This is cool. Yeah. That is beautiful. Look at this. And look at the water moving. Look how pretty. You can tell I'm a mother. I'm so corny. Okay. I saw the thing coming. I was like, oh, this is the ball. And then we got the little duckies. Where'd he go? I can't get it in close. It's kind of looking our way. Are you sure they take it to the tree?
Starting to feel a little intimidating.
Yeah, it's looking kind of big and black. If it starts coming this way real fast, run. Run and call Allstate.
I bet you read you would run too, but you was slow. I thought we was going.
Oh Lord.
The car is special. The car to tell you to get in.
That's so black. That thing is so black that the picture is going dark like.
I didn't whip in the boat. That'd be hard.
Yeah, imagine driving something like that. That'd be cool.
I wouldn't mind that though. Drive good all day.
It's pretty.
See all the equals in that boat. That's pretty.
You know it's heavy. Look at the bricks and stuff on it. That's what it looks like. That is the bomb. And God bless the guys that work on this thing, because that don't look like no joke. Oh shoot, that's the U.S. Coast Guard. I'm filming like ain't nothing happening. What is this fool doing with that camera? That is cool. Oh my God, they just... Where? Is that the captain up top? I can't get it any closer. My thing's not moving. You see him? By the yellow sign up top? Oh my goodness, is this pretty. I can't believe we're catching this. That is so cool. Oh, Lexi, I don't think we're supposed to see that. It is leaking something. There's something in the water. Look, it's all brown. Let's hope the FBI don't catch us. Take us to jail.
It's a little pink Essie sticker. Her name was Essie.
Yeah, because something sure is coming up out of it. The water's turning colors. Imagine having that job.
That'd be cool. You gotta be accurate.
Yeah, yep.
15 feet up. pretty shallow, pretty rocky. Go up to the bottom. Still about 15 off.
Does it drive? Does it got wheels?
It looks like it might. It might be land and amphibious.
Alright, when we go on vacation, we're getting jet.
Check it out.
We're jet.
You jet ski.
Yeah.
Oh, they're coming up with them, I think. Aren't they coming with them? Yep, U.S. Coast Guard. That's cool. Oh, check it out. Sounds like Transformers. I think we better go, babe. Yeah, well, nice.